Hi, we're going to be talking about the ByTech, the Art of Technology ring light. So I'm going to explain what is unique about this ring light and also unbox it and put it together. I will also share my comments, my feedback, and also the pricing regarding this item. Now, before I get started, you can hit the subscribe button on the screen. That'd be awesome. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if I've added value to you with this video, feel free to hit the like button and leave some comments. I look forward to reading your comments and responding to your comments. So let's begin. This is the ByTech Art of Technology. It's pretty much 8-inch ring light. It comes with a tripod. Is RGB color patterns. Some of the features of it is a 10-step adjustable brightness, portable and lightweight, 360 degrees rotation for multi-angle adjustment and tilt, adjustable lighting angles to accommodate your needs, anti-slip mount for stabilization, soft light protects eyes during long broadcasts. Inside here is a V-Log light ring with wired remote control. It has 3 modes: warm, natural, and cool lighting. And it's a 10-step adjustable brightness. So that means you can adjust it to increase the brightness by 10 levels or decrease it by 10 levels. And it has multi-color patterns such as quarter, chase, strobe, colorful, two-tone, and pulse. Now that's the front. Now this is the back. So let's unbox this. So you have your ring light. This is your 8-inch. There's your remote. So you have your mode on the bottom. You have your RGB, red, green, and blue on above that. You have your on and off switch in the center, and it's down and the up for the brightness for the top 2 buttons. Now it uses a USB, so that means that to get your power, you have to buy an adapter if it's a wall jack. So you can plug the USB in there, or just use your laptop to get juice, or your desktop. So let's go ahead and just unleash this line. So that's your ring light, that's your remote. So let's see what else is in here. All right, so we have our tripod head, which is this piece right here. We have our phone holder, which is a slider. So we have the phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. So let's go ahead and just put it into the phone holder stand and the phone holder. This goes in here so it can get you move around. You have to loosen this little grip here. You can it actually comes off and you just put it back on, or you just loosen it enough where you can actually stick it in there. So once it's stuck in there, just close it back. Gives it the tension, locks it in there, and there you go, voila. All right, leave it there. And then we have our tripod right here. So let's go ahead and put this together. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get the tripod. You're going to attach the tripod, the bottom of it, with the screw silver onto the gold opening here under the 8-inch ring light. So you're going to screw that in. Now this thing didn't have an instruction booklet, so that was kind of unique, but we'll have to just go with what my experience with a lot of ring lights, how to assemble it. And no need to worry, because I've actually assembled a lot of ring lights, so they're very similar. I mean, they are different somewhat in maybe the styles, but the assembly itself is very similar. So you're going to take your tripod, and then what you're going to do with the tripod is you're going to attach it to the base of the tripod head. So your tripod head on the bottom, there's a gold opening, silver screw, put it in there. Okay, so this ByTech product is not bad. So let's go ahead and also use the phone holder and phone holder stand and put that in to the center. Gold opening, black screw on the bottom. Screw it in. Before I screw it in, let me just tilt this a little bit. Just get it in there. So I guess I should have just actually, hold on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this back. Take the screw head out and pull this out. There we go. And then unscrew it in. See, it's just much easier. So I guess you can include it with it and screw it, but if it gets in the way, just unscrew it. I'm so used to the bigger ring lights where you can just have the phone holder in there and screw it, but with this one it's too small, 8-inch versus a 10-inch. So then now we have there, plug this thing back in. Oops, actually, get the tightening piece in first and then plug this phone holder into this ball. There we go. And now get this tight. All right, so let's plug this in. And then we'll spread the tripod legs. Okay, so it's in there. Now the tripod, let's just open it up. There it goes. So as you can see right here. Okay, so let's take a look at the lights first, but before we do that, let's just put a phone in there just to give you an example. So I stick one of these old iPhones in there. Boom, there it goes. So it would be in the center. Allows me to go ahead and just use it as a vlog or streaming videos. So let's take this back out so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, so let's turn on the power. So click the middle button, power button. There we go. Let's check the modes. So see. So this will be your cool lighting mode. This will be your warm, and this will be your natural from my feeling looking at it. Now, since we're on this, let's go down 10 brightness levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's increase it by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's look at the RGB. So this is the unique thing about it. It allows you to actually have multiple color patterns. Pulse, two-tone, colorful, strobe, chase, and quarter are some of it. So let's go ahead and click on this RGB button. There we go. It's pretty cool, huh? This is another one. This is another one. It's kind of, I think this might be a strobe. It's not bad. A lot of different ones. Pulse. So actually moves. It's a you don't see a lot of this with the ring lights, but it's one of the uniqueness of this ring light. So there you go. It's the color patterns. There you go. Not bad. So hopefully you enjoyed this, putting it together. Let me know if you have this. Leave the comments what you think about it. Do you like it? How long did it last? Share with the community. Once again, if I've added value, definitely hit the like button. Hopefully you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to sharing with you. Thank you.